right, boys and girls. Now, let's do our numbers. Are you ready to count with me? All right, let's count. But before we count, let's take a breather. My little antler ears are tired. Aren't yours? All right, do you want to sing a song? Let's sing a song. Let's sing a quiet song. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round young virgin, mother and child, holy infant so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. Let's sing that again. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round young virgin, mother and child. Let's rock the baby. Holy infant so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. Very good. You did a good job listening or singing along with me. Okay, are you ready to do your numbers? Let's count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go up to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. Now, let's count again. But this time, we're going to say them in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. You're doing so well. Now, you know what we did not do? We did not do our colors in Espanol. So we're going to do our colors in Spanish. And then we're going to do a Christmas project. And I'm going to make, well, we're going to make together. I'm going to see if you can guess what we're going to make. I'm going to show you, and then we're going to put together our gingerbread girl. And her name is Holly, but we have to give her a face and make her look cute, okay? So let's go ahead and get all of our work done. And now we're going to, and then we're going to get to our project, okay? Our Christmas project. Okay, so now let's do our colors in Spanish. And if you're thirsty or a little hungry, want to nibble, like Miss Porter got her some good old M&Ms right here. Santa, you might can have some. Because Miss Porter's mouth gets tired when she's talking. Well, sometimes she wants to take a break. And I know we're not supposed to talk with food in our mouth. But, these M&Ms are so good. Okay? All right. Now, I need the cameraman to hand me my phone so we can do our, thank you, Mr. Cameraman. We're going to do our colors in Spanish, and we're also going to do our days of the week in Spanish. All right, now, let's get our cards again. Okay. All right, did you get your little snack in? That's right. It's all fun to have a little snack every now and then. All right, it helps us keep our brain alert and going. All right, now, this is the color black, and in Spanish, this is negro. Negro. Very good. Okay, this is the color white. Can you say blanco? Blanco. Very good. This is the color orange. And in Spanish, this is anaranjado. Anaranjado. Ooh, let me say that again. Miss Porter didn't say that right. Anaranjado. Okay? Anaranjado. Okay? This is pink rosado. Rosado. Green verde. Verde. Gray gris. Gris. Okay. Blue azul. Azul. Yellow amarillo. Amarillo. Very good. And then purple morado. Morado. Okay. Red rojo. Rojo. Red. And then brown is cafe. Cafe. Very good. You did so good. All right, boys and girls. Let's get us another treat. Remember now, if you're in Miss Porter's class, you can give yourself a treat every now and then. Right, Santa? Like Santa, he eats cookies all the time and milk, so Santa knows about treats. All right. Now, let's let's make our special friend. This is our friend Holly. And we're going to give Holly a face. And we're going to make her look very pretty. Okay, you ready? Now first, Holly is a gingerbread. Okay, so first, we're going to give her some eyes. So I have my glue. Now I like this glue because it's clear. And for any teachers out there that are watching or parents, I get all of these items from the local Dollar Tree. Or my other favorite place to shop is Hobby Lobby. Okay, first I'm going to just put all my glue out on different points because I know what how I'm going to decorate. So I'm just going to glue. And then it's going to all come together. We're going to see our gingerbread girl into a beautiful gingerbread. All right, let's start with her eyes. There's eyes. Okay. And we're going to put a bow in her hair. Now we're going to give her a nice necklace. She has a beautiful beaded necklace. And we have red and blue and white. I was about to say blue. And green pearls. And now we're going to give her some red ear bobs. Or should I say earrings? And then we're going to put these beautiful diamonds to go down her beautiful vest. Like that. And then I'm going to give her a nose. I'm going to draw her on a nose. And then I'm going to draw her a little mouth with my marker. Like that. Okay. And then I'm going to also give her some cute little, she's already sparkly and pretty. We're going to put her some little diamonds on her shoes. Okay. Well, I wouldn't call them diamonds, but we're going to make them a little red and sparkly. Let's put it like that. Just like that. Now, with a gingerbread girl or boy, you can decorate them any way you want. That's the fun thing about doing gingerbreads. This is just how Miss Porter decided to decorate her gingerbread girl named Holly. Oh, we need another sequence. Let's take this one. So we can have 3 on 3 on her shoes. Put it right there. And there she goes. Oh, you know what? Let's take one of those necklace. Let's put it here. Put a little pom-pom on her little hairpiece. Correct. And there's Holly. Let me hold her up. She got it dry. And then we can take a little hole, get your parents, put a little hole in there. We can hang her on our Christmas tree. Oops. Oh my goodness. Her necklace came apart. That's because I picked her up too soon. You have to always let your projects dry. All right, boys and girls, I promise you that Santa's going to sing for us. So let me Keep my promise. All right, Santa, you ready? You got your voice together? All right, now, don't embarrass me in front of my friends now. Sing good, okay? Oh, my goodness. Oh, well, he moved. Santa, you want to sing? Look at Santa got attitude. Come on, Santa. I mean, oh, my goodness. Hold on, boys and girls. Hold on, hold on, hold on. My goodness, Santa was giving me some issues.
Reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus, down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Oh, ho, ho! Who wouldn't go? Oh, ho, ho! Who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Have a great holiday season.
Thank you, Santa. All right, boys and girls, I am so glad you came and joined us with our Circle Time Kids Club class today. And I hope you come back again because I'm going to make some more projects. And I want to give a sincere thank you to all of our subscribers that have been keeping up with us and being patient because I am a full-time teacher and it does take a lot of work to do these special videos for you all, but I enjoy doing them myself and Mr. Porter. And we just want you to know that we have a lot of fun things in store. But thank you so much for watching. Hugs, hugs. And remember, be good because Santa is watching. All right, bye-bye for now.